Hello everyone. In today's video I will tell you that how to update your Play Store in your Android. So watch till end without skipping any part. Manually, if you open Play Store and search Play Store in search bar, you don't get the Play Store app to update it. So to update, simply go back to Play Store screen. Now tap on your account option. And here tap on the settings option. Now you can see the marked option, tap on it. And here you will have an option to update Play Store. Simply tap on it. As you can see, my Play Store is updated. If your Play Store is not updated, then you can update it from here. So in this way you can simply update your Play Store. If this video helped you, then like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.